Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to navigate to the project's application and also how to use the filter section within the project's application in KEBS. The project's application is the backbone application for the platform in terms of the code-to-cash flow of events. To navigate, the user can click on the More Apps and enter the keywords. The user can pin the app for ease of access. Once clicked, the landing page of the projects is displayed. The user can use the search bar in order to type the respective keywords for the project and search for a particular project. The filter section can be used in order to retrieve projects based upon condition. The user can simply checklist the required filters and click on Apply. And the projects are retrieved based on condition. These filters can be cleared by either clicking on the Clear Config button here, individually clearing the various filters that can be applied, and also by clicking on the Clear Filters option here. The user can also create their personal filters as configurations by simply checklisting the required filters and clicking on the Create My Filter button, where the user can provide a name and a description for the same. Once done, the configuration can be accessed within the My Filters section of the user. The user can also share this to another user by simply typing in their name and clicking on Go Ahead. This filter configuration is then migrated and can be viewed by the particular employee in their My Filters section. The user can also edit and delete these My Filters. The Customize Filters option can be used in order to reorder, and once reordered, the same reordering is reflected within the Filters section. The user can clear all the configurations and applied filters by clicking on the Reset Filters option. Thank you for watching.